Hi there, students. A blaze, countable noun. To blaze, a verb. A blazer, a verb. I'll do that one in a bit. Blazing, yeah, an adjective. Okay, so to blaze means to burn brightly, to burn strongly. So I believe the forest fires in Australia last summer blazed for days on end. Yeah, the house was ablaze with fire. Notice ablaze. Yeah, the house was ablaze as an adjective as well. The house was blazing. Somebody's eyes can blaze. They shine brightly. His eyes blazed with anger. Yeah, you could see blazing anger in his face. A trailblazer, to blaze a trail, to make a new path so that other people can follow it. Yeah, he blazed a trail in information technology. Yeah, so I guess Bill Gates was a trailblazer in computers. Yeah, he blazed a trail. Is to make a new path. You mark it so that other people can follow it. But this is usually much more metaphorically. Yeah. A trailblazer is somebody who starts a new way of doing things. The blazing sun, the burning sun. So it was blazing hot today. It was burning hot today. Yeah. He has a blazing desire, a burning desire to do this. So a blaze is a big fire. So the fireman came to the blaze to put it out. Notice a blaze of publicity. Yeah, a bright show of something. All of the house lights were blazing. They were burning. They were shining. Yeah, there was a blaze of hype and publicity associated with the new film. Okay, so to blaze. What in the blazes do you think you're doing? Yeah, what the hell do you think you're doing? What in Inferno do you think you are doing? Okay, so a blaze, a fire, fast burning one that produces lots of light. Yeah, the blaze of the sun. Yeah, the burning of the sun. Notice a horse very often has a white stripe down its face. This you could also call a blaze. Yeah, the criminals were blazing with their guns, bang, 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 to fire again and again and again. Yeah. Now I promised this word a blazer. Okay, a blazer is a jacket, yeah, a semi-formal jacket. And this actually comes from the jackets worn by the members of Lady Margaret Boat Club. This is the rowing club of St John's College, Cambridge. And these were blazing red scarlet jackets, and that's the origin of the word a blazer. Yeah, so they wore these red jackets which were then called blazers because they looked like they were burning. Okay, this red color. So a blaze, a large ferocious fire, a conflagration, a blazing inferno. Yeah, and then you could blaze with anger. You could go to blazes, go to hell. Yeah, to burn fiercely, to burn brightly. Yeah, the house was blazing. The guns were blazing away, firing repeatedly. Yeah, to blaze a trail. Yeah, to find a trail. They were going like blazes, going very, very rapidly. Okay, so a blaze. A fire is a big blaze. It burns strongly. It's difficult to control, as in blazing inferno. Something could be blazing with light or colour. The garden blazed with colour in the spring. It shone, it gleamed. Somebody's eyes could be blazing with emotion. Yeah, shining because the emotion is very strong. Yeah. A blaze of publicity, a blaze of attention. He ended his career in a blaze of glory. Yeah, a great amount. Yeah, guns blazing, firing continually with all guns blazing. Okay, so to blaze, a blaze, formality. I think I'm probably going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use it probably just about anywhere. I think all guns blazing, maybe 4 in formality, but I think the rest of it 5 in formality. And then as to origin, okay, there's a Proto-Indo-European word, bel, meaning to shine, to be white. Yeah, it's a cognate with Low German blas, a fire or a candle. Yeah, so, blaze. Well, that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Blaze, trailblazer, blazing.